What's going on? I'm the JakeOfALL, and this is a 2-minute tool review. Wait a minute. Looks like a lot of tech. Why don't we call this a 2-minute tech review? You know, for all those videos where it's a little less tool and a little more tech, printers, computers, home automation, you name it, we're going to try to cover it. So enjoy the video. So you guys might have saw the 2-minute tech review because we finally got the office to where the only thing dirty in it are, you know, cats throwing up at night. But, right, print area, all that good fun stuff. But what's funny about this, I want to see your guys' opinion, is look at this. It's Florida. The sun's in. She's in a sweater. I'm over here hot, so...
I'm not sitting in the sun.
Could I have the remote for the fan?
It gets so cold in here, though.
Okay, some of us aren't as plump. I don't know. Whatever. I got a gut. Can I get a little bit of fan? You're going to make me just deal with it, aren't you?
Yeah. I mean, if you're nice, I might.
She's not going to give me.
Oh, so you're going to outsmart me now?
Look at this. Look.
This reminds me of how I used to absolutely shut the TV off from the other room with an app on my ex-husband, and he definitely thought our house was haunted for a minute.
Do you see what that is? So we can't get, I mean, we have vaulted ceilings. I will give them that. But what's it, Main Street? Our rental people, it's vaulted ceilings, so they're like, hey, you're not going to have good AC. And I don't believe that.
I will say I much prefer being cold in this house than hot, because when the AC wasn't working, I was not a fan.
So the AC is stuck. It will only get to 73 overnight.
It's blowing in my face, Jake.
Oh, the fan's on oscillating? Here, let me change that.
I need coffee. It's way too early.
Right? Or here, look, we could just do turbo. Look, it's got sounds. Oh, wait, here, we can go up and down too. Okay, so this is a DREO fan. This is a smart Wi-Fi fan. It's not a Wi-Fi fan. It's not a smart fan. It's a smart Wi-Fi. It's got both. And it looks really stylish. And we want to thank them because they absolutely sent us this fan. And I'm a fan on all the time person. I don't know, comment below. But
if you leave it up, you can leave it on.
if you take a look, it is super fancy looking. Like, you know, some of those brands out there that you pay more for a brand name. But it's Wi-Fi enabled. It was very easy to set up in the app.
It's very easy to put together.
It is easy to put together. It is super stylish. Look at the wood grain, all that. It's got a remote. It works all the time. And it's blowing all my papers around. But check.
It's got programming. You scared the hell out of me the other day.
Yeah, so I have a schedule routine on it to where it will come on at. So I have the schedule routines, and that thing just turns on sort of when it starts getting hotter in here. Now, right now, it's absolutely gonna blow her out of the office, if that makes any kind of sense. But checking her out, you know. Child lock, oscillation calibration. Alejandro is the name of the fan. I'm going to turn the oscillation off. Now it's just going to be stuck in that position. We'll go ahead and say standard for now, but there's a normal, there's an auto, there's a natural. So it'll change its speed and try to mimic just sort of like a random, and there's even a nice sleep. So I want to know if you guys are the go to bed with a fan kind of people or not, because I know there's a lot of people out there that just can't sleep anymore. They go to a hotel, they bring their fan with them. She doesn't mind a fan in the bedroom. I don't mind a fan in the bedroom, but I absolutely can't sit here in the afternoon if they're not going to get this AC fixed. The lowest it ever gets now is 76, and it's you know, 10 a.m. in the morning. It's not even 10 a.m. actually. It's 9 something.
It's 9,
and yeah. So in the middle of the night, if it's been a cool day, we can get it to 73, the set temp. Power bills are fun. But yeah, you guys should check this out. This DREO. They have other options, but this one, actually, I'm going to say it very, very obvious. Thank you for sending it to us. We appreciated it.
Thank you for being so patient, because all of this was in a storage container until about like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, and you can almost see out the window the giant pod that completely got emptied. But I also want your guys' opinion. Do you think I should do a separate channel for JakeOfALL for tech-related stuff? You know, computers, networking, all that other stuff. When we use tools and we show off cool tools to do it, great. But when we're actually showing off the Ubiquity stuff or Wi-Fi, anything, should we do another channel? For now, I'm going to post them here, but I'd love to know your stuff below. I will, speaking of below, in the, oh yeah, we got Juice Man. In the description will be a link for the DREO fan, and you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching these little ones. You know, call it a life update, call it a vlog. Honestly, it's the only fan that I have, so check it out. And man, this fan really blows. So have a good one.